Last year, the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge went viral and raised awareness for the disorder nationwide. But what if I told you there was a disorder out there that affected more than double that of ALS and practically no one has heard of it? Well, it's true. Tuberous sclerosis complex, also known as TSC, affects 50,000 Americans every single day. To put that in comparison, ALS affects about 20,000 Americans. TSC is a disorder where benign tumors form throughout the entire body in places such as the brain, heart, liver, kidneys, and more. This tumor formation can lead to a plethora of side effects, such as autism, epilepsy, and heart arrhythmia. Those are just the buzzword symptoms, though. It can also lead to lesions on the skin or in the eyes, and Sturge-Weber syndrome, which causes seizures and congenital glaucoma from birth. However, this is just some of the possible symptoms. This disorder is one that varies immensely. Some people could go their entire life and have what is considered to be a normal life with jobs that are considered to be prestigious, such as being a doctor or a lawyer, without even knowing they have TSC. If this happens and they have a child, it leads to the first way to develop TSC, which is through inheriting the gene from a genetic mutation from a parent. This makes up around 1/3 of all TSC cases. The mutation for TSC is an autosomal dominant condition, which means that an offspring only has to receive one copy of the gene from either parent and they will have the disorder. The second way someone can develop TSC is by a spontaneous mutation occurring during embryonic development. This is approximately 2/3 of all TSC patients. It is not known when this mutation occurs in embryonic development, but it is believed to be relatively early. There are two genes at which the mutation can occur to lead to TSC. The first is gene TSC1 on chromosome 9, which controls chromatin production, and the second gene is TSC2, located on chromosome 12, encoding for the production of tuberin. Both of these genes affect a group of proteins known as the mammalian target of Ramsay proteins, also known as mTORs. These mTOR proteins control cell growth and manage the cell's life cycle through Rho-mediated pathways. When chromatin or tuberin levels are decreased by this mutation, mTORs are not properly managed and are too active, leading to uncontrolled cell growth and reproduction, which explains how it leads to the formation of multiple tumors. TSC affects no group more than another. TSC can happen to anyone. It does not have any gender, ethnicity, or socioeconomic factors that increase or decrease its chance of occurrence. Just as the severity and symptoms can vary, the people can affect varies. There is currently no cure for TSC, and the symptoms can only be managed through intervention such as therapy for cognitive disabilities and medicine for epilepsy. However, in this lifetime, the lead researcher for TSC believes that a cure or prevention can be found for TSC. The major obstacle that is preventing this is funding. The TS Alliance is the major organization pushing for TSC awareness, as well as IAMTSC.org, pushing for a viral campaign like the Ice Bucket Challenge. On May 15th, it will be TSC Awareness Day. So I encourage everyone to take a moment to post to social media using the hashtag IAMTSC or speak with a friend that may have never heard about TSC. Every post and conversation increases awareness. Who knows? Your tweet might be the one that triggers multiple Google searches and starts the domino effect. Thank you for your time, and I want to give a special thank you to Trisha Pallage and Vanessa Vasquez for taking time out of their busy lives to speak with me over the phone, educating me on how their children having TSC has affected their lives. Hashtag IAMTSC.